everyone, it's Ali. Welcome back to another AliExpress craft haul. I've got 11 packages from AliExpress to share with you today. I do videos just like this one every month or so. I've also got a whole playlist of videos that I will link in the description box. All of the products will also be linked in the description box if they're still available, so you can go and check them out on AliExpress if you want to. Now, without any further ado, let's start opening some packages. These are tiny little bow embellishments. When I said tiny, I really wasn't kidding. So these are a bunch of different shapes and sizes, as you can see, and some of them are like, that one is so little, and they are clear iridescent plastic. So those are very cute, much cuter than I expected. Sometimes I can order from AliExpress and things can be a bit large, but I think these are really, really great size to use for a bunch of different projects. So those are fun. Something a little bit different from a sequin. These are some syringes. I got these after watching, I think it was Natasha Foot's video where she showed you how to fill up little glue bottles. And there should be some little glue bottles in here somewhere as well. But these were syringes to fill them up essentially. So slightly boring, but very necessary. So we all are aware of the lemon obsession by now. These are, I think they're glass. They feel like glass. Lemon shaped beads. Now they came in a bunch of different colours. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but there is a very, very small hole on the top end of the lemon there. These were a little bit pricey, but I thought they were so pretty. They've got little gold flakes in them. And obviously I got the lemon yellow colour. I also got this really nice sort of peachy pink, a baby pink, and this is more of a strawberry colour. But I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these, but they were just so pretty. I couldn't not have those. I'm sure I'll find something to make with them. They're just so pretty. Really pleased with those. They felt like really nice quality as well, and I love that they're all a little bit different. Now, I think these are listed as nail art supplies again. I mentioned in one of my previous AliExpress hauls that the nail art supply section of AliExpress is a really good place to look for embellishments because they are mega cheap. So these are little round, I guess they're kind of like enamel dots. They've got colours on the back and then the rest of the dot is clear. So I got a bunch of different colours here. The opalite ones are really, really pretty. Bunch of different colours as well, and they're all different sizes within here as well, so these are a great size. And it's really nice that they've come in these little pots as well with a little screw top lid. That's so handy. As if I hadn't had enough sequins. You can never have enough sequins. These ones are really, really tiny little round flat sequins. It's got this really pretty pink sort of matte / satin sequin. Baby pink there. This is a mix of different colours, and these ones are more like transparent and pearlescent. Those are really pretty. They'd be great in a shaker. And then these ones, which are metallic, sort of a, I don't know, they're sort of a brown with iridescent. They're really pretty. Look at those. So yeah, I don't usually go for flat sequins. I like ones with a little bit of dimension, but I thought these were really pretty. Nice colours, because they're super small, they'll be great for putting in shakers and things. So yeah, more sequins for the stash. Three different ones here, and you really don't get a lot. These are like Christmas, I'm not sure what you'd really call these. It's like a ribbon, but it's got multiple different strands to it. So you've got like, this one's got a pearl strand and then a piece of cord and a bit of twine, and then you've got your little glittery stars on there. This one is pretty similar, but it's in white, and we've got these silver snowflakes. And then the red one has these little gingham red stars. So I thought these would be really good to use on cards or for gift wrap. I mean, I think you only get a metre, so you wouldn't get very far with gift wrap, but you could probably get 3 or 4 cards out of each one of these if you just use it as a simple ribbon down the card. So I thought they were pretty. I did think I was going to get a little bit longer piece than that. I think in the image they were on a roll, but I guess, you know, it does say the length. I'm too silly to think about exactly how long a metre is. But these are very pretty. Oh, there's a few bits in this one. So we've got a few sticker packs here. I'm just going to open one because they're all the same, they're just in different colours. These are clear stickers and they're kind of postage stamp inspired. This one is all sunflowers and there's a bunch of different designs in here. Just on a clear acetate sticker, so that's always nice because you can see the colour behind it. I like to get things like this to put on the outside of envelopes when I send the cards out because it just makes it a little bit more interesting, a little bit more of a excitement and mystery when people receive them in the mail. So those are really nice. You can use them on cards as well, especially if you're into more of like mixed media cards. So these are available in a bunch of different colours. So I've got the sunflowers there, there's a blue flower one. This one is like roses, I think they're all roses in there. And then this one is like tulips and peonies, I think. But yeah, really pretty. And then I've got a couple more sticker sets here. If you've shopped on AliExpress before, you've probably seen things like this. There's so many different kinds. Nordic kind of theme, lots of trees and foliage. There's some forest animals. Really nice. And then this other one, these are stamp designs, so postage stamps, all different. There's green, orange and red ones in here, and there's tons of different designs, multiples of each. These are only usually around £1 or £2 a pack, so they're nice little extra things to add on to envelopes or to throw into Happy Mail or to use on your cards. I might try and do some more card making with stickers videos this year in my Christmas card series because a lot of people really liked it when I did that in a video before, when I did the Pebbles Merry Little Christmas 6x6 video where I just used loads of stickers as embellishments. Do let me know in the comments if that's something you want to see and I'll make sure that gets included in my Christmas card series this year. If you haven't seen it, I have been doing a new series on my channel where I make Christmas cards essentially, give you all your inspiration you need in the run up to Christmas. So if you haven't checked that out, I have got a playlist of all my Christmas card videos on my channel. I will link that in the description box and I'll try and link it up in the cards as well for you, so you can go check it out if you haven't seen it yet. Thanks so much to everyone that does go and watch all my tutorials. I know a lot of you are just here for the hauls, which is absolutely fine. But there are some of you that take the time to watch my tutorials as well, which I really appreciate it. And it helps me to stay motivated to do new videos for you all every week. It's always worth checking out the journaling sections on AliExpress. There's a lot of journaling supplies on there, and especially at Christmas time, you can get some really good stuff to use in your card making as well. Oh, these are fun. How pretty are these little pink snowflakes? They are made of felt and on one side they're covered in glitter and they're just so sparkly and pretty. Oh my gosh, they're going to be perfect to use on pink themed Christmas cards. I've got quite a lot of pink supplies this year to use on my Christmas cards. I'm excited to do some pink ones. I do like a bit of pink at Christmas. And I've got these 2 packs of stars. Those are really lovely. They're little fabric stars. They've got a little bit of stuffing inside and they are metallic on one side and just plain on the other. And they're quite flat as well, which is nice for card making because you don't want too much dimension because otherwise you have to pay extra postage. So yeah, I really like those. It'll be good for Christmas decorations and DIYs and all kinds of things as well, not just for cards. And then I've also got these gingham ones, which are a little bit smaller. And there's more colours in here, but I think these are really cute, aren't they? I thought they'd be great embellishments for new baby cards. Yeah, really sweet. Love those. And this seller had loads of things like this, so I'll definitely be going back and checking them out, seeing what else I can find. This one had a couple of packages inside. It's always nice to get a bonus package. Now, it would not be Christmas without some candy canes, would it? These are little polymer clay candy canes. I really like that these had like the double pattern on them. So they had the thick stripe and then the little stripes as well. I thought that added to them and just made them a little bit nicer. So yeah, great to have around Christmas time. I think I ordered a few different types of candy canes off AliExpress, so there might be a few more in this haul. Another slightly boring but necessary are these glue bottles. So I can fill my little glue bottles from my big glue bottle, because this one is a little bit cumbersome. And sometimes I don't want to use this one with the tiny nozzle. I want to use something a little bit bigger. So I've gone for these, which I thought would be very, very handy. And you get 5 for a very reasonable price. So I will be filling one of those up later on, I'm sure. Oh, that one had more in as well. We've got a couple more packs of tiny bows. These ones are more pastel colours. And these are all the same size and shape. They're really, really pretty. These are a little bit brighter, but they're still pastel, and these are slightly larger. So yeah, these are available in a bunch of different shapes and sizes, and I just picked the 2 that I like the best. Really, really like the size of these. I think they will be great to use on cards. Yes, more sequins. But these are glitter sequins, so these are different. I'm sure you'll all understand. So we have got pink with iridescent glitter. These are all flat sequins again. Those are really nice. They're so glittery. This sort of neutral gold brown colour, again super glittery. Those are really nice. Had to get a Christmas red. I mean, look at those. How could you not? Need more red stuff in my stash, so I don't tend to go for red, but at Christmas time I go red crazy. And then this is like a dark coppery brown glitter. Those are really, really pretty as well. So yeah, really nice selection there. These ones are a little bit different. They are large flat sequins with a little hole at the top of the sequin instead of in the middle. And these I just got in the clear iridescent colour. Really sparkly. Can never have enough sequins in my opinion. This is the last package, and I think there's only one thing in here, and it's quite heavy, so I am curious as to what it might be. Ooh. What a lovely one to end on. So first of all, we've got the most ridiculous thing of stickers I've ever seen. It's like 1 metre long. And these are foiled shiny tulips. Oh, they would just be fun to do a background with, or to use as embellishments. Nice little extra add-on. And then these are, I think these are card fronts or postcards. These are a little bit pricey, but you get 30. So yeah, these are postcards. You get 30 in a pack, and they're all Christmas themed. So should we open them up and have a little look through them? It can be a little difficult sometimes on AliExpress to see what these kind of things looks like. So I thought it'd be worth having a little flick through. So these are all postcards. They've got the standard postcard layout on the back where you write your address. And I think there's a couple of each design in here, so I'll just flick through these. Thought the art style on these was really fun, super modern. Obviously you can use them as postcards, but you could also use them as a really, really easy card front. Just pop this on a card base. Maybe you'd want to add a little bit of embellishment or some sequins or some glitter, maybe some gel pen details. Maybe some washi tape, maybe you want to add a pattern paper background behind them. So there's one of each design in here, and they pretty much all have a sentiment on as well, which is handy, so you don't even need to add a sentiment. It's a pack of 30, that's a really nice set. So that's that one. And then I think this one might have some foil on. Looks like I was wrong. So again, these are the same sort of layout. Again, all completely different. They are very different colours to the packet actually. These are much more warm colours on the packet. They look very cool in comparison. However, they are still very nice. And I think they would make great easy cards if you didn't want to go crazy. Or you could just send these as they are. Just write your recipient's address on the back and a little message and just pop them in the mail. I think that would be something a little bit different to a card and really fun. Especially if you didn't have time to make lots of cards. So yes, very cute. Let me know in the comments what you would use them for. I'd love to hear all of your ideas. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this haul and you saw some interesting stuff that inspired you. I'll put all the links to all of the products in the description box in the order that they appeared in the video. So if you want to go and check any of them out, then you can. Don't forget, I've got a whole playlist of videos just like this one that I will link in the description box and also up in the card, so you can go check it out if you want to. I'd love to hear your thoughts on any of these products in the comments. Let me know if you're going to go and buy any of them, or if you've got something similar, or if you've got something you want to recommend to me to go and buy on AliExpress. So I'm always recommending you guys stuff. I want to hear what you guys are buying on AliExpress. Please tell me. I hope to see you back here on my channel again soon. Bye!